Hey guys, so I'm in my backyard today and I was sent this product in the mail and I want to see if I could do a fun trial test using some of these pine cones that falls from the trees above and test out this stove. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so let's take a look at what's in the box. It's this Tomshoo stove, and it's this one here on Amazon. It's the tripod version, so there's a few different versions. This is the tripod version, and it's listed for $26, but you can apply a 30% off coupon. So what does that come out to? I think that comes out to around $18.20. So let's unbox this. It looks like setup directions if you want to use it as an alcohol stove and if you want to use it as firewood. I want to use firewood for my test. I don't even have any alcohol stove fuel. So let's take a look at it. It comes in this nice carrying case. It's this padded case. It actually feels pretty nice. It's mesh, but it's like a soft, spongy mesh. Okay. Here's a little grill thing. Okay, let's see how we do this. Let's take this. Okay, this guy's next. That guy. So you can go in there. This goes there. Next is this guy right here. Then next is this guy. Alright, okay. So you can see in the bottom, oops, about spilling everything out. There's this catch right there for all your, so that it's not sitting right on the ground. Air can get up. Alright. So it has this thing right here. It doesn't look exactly like the picture, so it looks like this, okay? When you actually get it. I don't think there's any difference in terms of performance or anything like that, but just a little note. Okay, so this is for the ash. Put it underneath to catch the ash, okay? So that's the way it sets up. I think it sets up pretty nicely. They advertised that I could use dry grass, pine cones, leaves, twigs. Well, I think I could find some twigs, but I definitely have some pine cones that I'd like to see what I could cook in one of these things on a pine cone. All right, so I'm going to use some leftovers to see if I could cook myself some breakfast. I'm going to test this inside this lava rock pit that I have because I don't know how it works and I don't want to start a fire. And we're going to boil some coffee too. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so I got a few pine cones. We'll see which one fits. And I got some leaves and pine needles as my kindling. All right, let's see. That's a little small. Let's see. That one's a little big, so let's go with the small and we'll see if I can break one. These don't break very easy, so let's just start with that first and we'll see if I can find another one that fits. All right, I discovered it lights better when you
open it up first and don't put that on. Using some of that box it came with. Alright, let's put that on. Alright, we'll get that going and boil some water while I prep the food. Okay, got some old rice, some ashes already, some pork. I just probably need only 2 pieces. Got some garlic. And got some fish cake. Alright, let's check on the fire. Still going good. Alright, looks like it's boiling. Still a decent amount of pine cone left. Instant coffee. Alright, so let's have some coffee and add some more pine cones to the field. But actually first, while the fire's low, I want to try this out. Alright, I think that's charred enough. Let's add some more fuel. Alright, now that the flames should be hot enough, let's start. The rice is a little hard. So I needed to add more fuel and blow some more flames to get the fire back up going. Alright, pan's finally heating up. Put in some garlic. Put in my leftover meat. egg. A little bit of Maggi. And there, breakfast is served.